Bonjour fellow wanderers! Welcome back to Globewanderer, your channel for travel inspiration and tips. Today we're diving into the enchanting city of love, fashion, and art, Paris. Get ready for the ultimate guide to make your Parisian adventure absolutely unforgettable. Let's start our journey with the rich history and culture of Paris. Our first must-visit spot is the Louvre Museum, home to thousands of years of art and history. Don't forget to say hi to the Mona Lisa. Did you know that just a short trip away is the Palace of Versailles? A marvel of opulence and French history, it's a day trip you won't want to miss. Next up, we have the iconic Notre Dame Cathedral. Steeped in history and architectural beauty, a visit here is a glimpse into Paris's medieval past. The Panthéon, a short walk from Notre Dame, is another must-visit. It houses the remains of distinguished French citizens and offers a panoramic view of Paris from its dome. For a breathtaking display of stained glass, Sainte-Chapelle is a must-see. The colors and stories depicted in the windows are simply mesmerizing. For a unique art experience, head to the Musée d'Orsay, housed in a former railway station. It showcases an extensive collection of Impressionist and Post-Impressionist masterpieces. Now, let's indulge in the culinary wonders that Paris has to offer. We're heading to the famous Le Marais district for some delicious French pastries. Le Marais is home to some incredible restaurants. Indulge in the flaky goodness of croissants and pastries, a true Parisian breakfast experience. Try coq au vin or escargot for a true taste of French cuisine. For an authentic foodie experience, explore the local markets. Pick up some fresh cheese, baguettes, and charcuterie for a picnic along the Seine River. For a hands-on experience, consider taking a cooking class to learn the art of preparing classic French dishes. And while in Montmartre, don't forget to sample some of the local delicacies at charming cafes tucked away in its narrow streets. As the sun sets, Paris transforms into a city of lights and vibrant nightlife. Our first stop is the Latin Quarter, where the streets come alive with cafes, bars, and live music. The Latin Quarter is not just vibrant during the day, its nightlife is equally enchanting. Dive into a local pub or wine bar for a taste of French conviviality. For a glamorous night out, catch a cabaret show at the world-famous Moulin Rouge. It's a spectacle of dance, music, and dazzling costumes. Immerse yourself in the soulful tunes of jazz at Le Caveau de la Huchette, one of the oldest jazz clubs in the city. If you're up for some dancing, venture into the Marais district, where you'll find a mix of trendy clubs and historic dance halls. Or you can cap off your night with a visit to a rooftop bar for a spectacular view of the glittering Eiffel Tower. Now, let's explore some fun and unique activities in Paris. How about a leisurely boat ride along the Seine River? It's a romantic way to take in the city's beauty while learning about its history. A short train ride from Paris takes you to the enchanting town of Giverny, home to Monet's gardens. Immerse yourself in the vibrant colors that inspired some of the artist's most famous works. For a truly unforgettable experience, consider a hot air balloon ride over the picturesque landscapes surrounding Paris. Finally, explore the artistic charm of Montmartre. The narrow streets, artist studios, and the iconic Sacré-Cœur Basilica make it a haven for creativity. Paris is well connected, making it easy to explore nearby cities like Versailles, Giverny, and Fontainebleau. The efficient public transportation system, including the metro and buses, makes getting around a breeze. Quick tip: consider getting a Paris pass for access to multiple attractions and skip the line privileges. Also, a little French goes a long way, so don't hesitate to learn a few basic phrases. And there you have it, Wanderers. Globewanderer's ultimate guide to Paris and beyond. Whether you're immersed in art, savoring exquisite cuisine, or exploring nearby gems, Paris offers an unforgettable experience at every turn. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more travel adventures. Until next time, au revoir.